everybody, Wave 3 News meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with a Hokey video blog update for this Sunday morning. I should say Saturday morning. Getting a little ahead of myself, but we are seeing gusty winds and showers moving through the area at this time. No lightning, but that is on today's Hokey weather fact. There were many years ago a set of rules of what to do when you have a thunderstorm going on when you're outside, and one of those included crouching down in what was called the lightning safety position. And nowadays, that has been pretty much discredited as a thing you shouldn't do, because guess what? You're pretty much just as likely to get struck by lightning and end up as a fatality with that position than you would just standing up straight. So here's the deal. Just go indoors when there's thunder and lightning. That's all you need to do. I know sometimes it's not always possible to do that, but make every effort you can to get inside a sturdy structure. All right, outside right now, we've got rain falling and gusty winds at our Kentucky One Health SkyTrack camera site. And Churchill Downs there in Louisville, they're still working out those horses regardless of the rain. Temperatures in the 50s. We've got a cold front moving through as we speak. In fact, I'll draw where it is right now, pretty much right there. And in fact, if we had to redraw it even once more, it'd be right about here where we have it. There we go. You'll see the 50s just to the north and west of the front, and the lower, I should say the 40s. Look at those 40s up there. The 50s are on the other side of the front, on the southern edge of it right now. So as we head throughout the morning, we are going to be seeing the cooler temperatures flowing in. The rain is actually moving out at this time. In its place, though, certainly some gusty winds. We had a maximum wind gust that we've seen this morning of 41 miles per hour at the Louisville International Airport. We've pared that back down, 25, 30 mile per hour gusts. We'll see those as we head throughout the day just behind this cold front. There's the aforementioned Doppler radar view with some of those downpours now moving into Metro Louisville, and some of the showers as well. Not terribly heavy, but they're a little stronger at times depending on your location. And pretty much the edge of the front is now moving through the Portland area. So if you live southeast of that line at the moment, yes, you have the rain, but pretty much for folks that are in southern Indiana, the rain's done. And it's going to be done for us here in Louisville probably about by the time you watch this video today. No more rain for this afternoon, although there could be a couple showers to our north and east once this cold front moves on through. But the cold air moving in behind it is going to be inspiring more cloud cover once the sun hits it today. That kind of creates some instability to create those cumulus clouds, and that's going to keep us cool for the afternoon. Here's what Futurecast looks like by 8 o'clock. About half an hour from now, most of the rain to the south and east of us. A couple of those showers possible up toward our northern counties here, northeastern I should say, up toward Carrollton, North Vernon, Jefferson County, Indiana, the Madison area, even Frankfort as well. But really, it's going to be the cooler temperatures and the cloud cover that we see. Temperatures not getting above the upper 50s for most of us. Some lower 60-degree readings here with the 60, I think, or the city, I should say. I think we're going to top out around 60. And by tonight, we get down into the 30s and the 40s. Yes, even talking a little bit of potential for isolated patchy frost well outside the city. I wouldn't really be too concerned about it. Look, I've planted my garden. It's already sprouting. I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to cover it up tonight. I think we'll be just fine here inside Jefferson County. Now, as we head throughout tomorrow afternoon, sunshine returns, and so do the 60s. Here's that 7-day breakdown. I want to break down today's forecast with the rain chance so you understand what's going on here. As we head throughout about 9, 10 o'clock, there's still going to be a small rain chance, especially south and east of Louisville, and then north and east of Louisville through about noontime. Then it's out of here after that. So if you're heading to the Louisville City FC game, no rain expected, but it will be breezy and it will be chilly. Take the blankets that they take out there, the scarves and the jackets for sure. Now as we head throughout Sunday, 65 for the high temperature. Monday starts another rainy pattern, but it's a shorter one. It's only going to be about 36 hours long. By about Monday afternoon or evening, we'll start some showers. I already had a question this morning about the baseball game, the Bats baseball game on Monday as they start another home stretch there. And it looks like there may be some showers that may try to move in during that time. We'll watch that. Otherwise, I think the better chance will be very late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. And then a real big wave of showers and some thunder moves in by Tuesday afternoon. Severe weather, just not on the list with this because the main energy and the forcing is to our south. We're just kind of on the northern edge of this. and it's going to be sort of a training thing, so the showers and thunderstorms will be moving in waves along this stalled boundary just to our south, but I don't think it's going to cause much in the way of any sort of severe weather. Flooding, we can't rule it out completely at this time, but it looks like we've pared down the rain totals a little bit for the forecast. 1 to 2 inches of rain still could aggravate some flash flooding concerns in places. We'll watch that, but I don't think it's going to be an all-out big buster of a rain, which is good there. And then most of the data now keeping us fairly dry on Wednesday, although there will be some clouds, and it keeps us dry on Thursday as well. So that's some good news there. We'll see that drier weather on Thursday, only to see another chance of showers and thunderstorms move in as we head throughout the 21st there, another front. That's why keep us in the 70s. But the 80s do return as we head throughout the 23rd through at least the 26th. You'll see that's because of this ridging pattern that sets up over the eastern half of the nation here as we go throughout that time frame. May see another storm chance around the 26th, but that remains to be seen. That's pretty far out in time. All right, that's it for now, guys. Stay dry this morning and stay warm this afternoon. Cup of hot cocoa, probably a good thing to have on the list. Maybe a good thing of soup, too. That's it for now. I'm meteorologist Ryan Hoke. We'll see you tomorrow morning on Sunrise at 5 a.m.